Krystal Everdeen, and today I want to share with you some crochet project ideas perfect for Valentine's Day. Whether you're making these projects for your Valentine's significant other, your friend, your family member, or for yourself, these will fit perfectly into the whole Valentine's Day theme. So it's very like pink and girly, very like springtime as well. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Now, if you're new here, hi, my name is Krystal Everdeen, and I share so many crochet related videos ranging from beginner friendly tutorials to more advanced style with me, these crochet idea videos. That being said, I do have quite a few crochet designs myself, and I share plenty of crochet tutorials on my channel if you're interested in checking them out. Everything that I share with you in this video will be listed in the description box down below with either its link or its listing or its crochet tutorial, which again will be found on my channel. I have over 25 ideas for you today. I did do a Valentine's Day crochet ideas list last year, so if you want to watch that video, I'll also leave it in the description box down below. I'm off with some crochet tutorials that you can find on my channel that are very Valentine's Day-y. The first one being this crochet halter top, which has a heart cutout in the center. One of my favorite designs, like visually, but one of my least favorite designs to actually recreate. I've been wanting to recreate this crochet top, but in pink, and I just can't get myself to do it. I was so determined to do it this year, but it's already February, and I'm like, yeah, I don't have time for that. But if you want to tackle this project, again, I do have a tutorial for it on my channel, and it is listed in the description box down below. Another tutorial that I have that is actually very, very popular. I want to say it's probably my most popular crochet tutorial, or at least the one with the most views, and it is this crochet heart tote bag, and I really love the way this turned out. Funny enough, I actually made this tote bag like version 1 using blue yarn, and that one did really well, and then I redid it, made it a little bit bigger and made it with pink yarn, and it absolutely blew up, and for good reason, because look, it's adorable. So again, I do have a free tutorial on my channel on how you can recreate this tote bag. I also have a tutorial on how to crochet this heart dress. So it's a full dress, well, it's a mini dress, but it's like a full dress created with heart-shaped granny squares. It took me a really long time, but I'm really happy with the results. And again, I do have a video on that as well. Similarly, I do also have this like style, but as a crochet top. So it's just like a crochet crop top instead of the full dress. But yeah, so I have those two available for you as well. Another crochet project that I have on my channel is this pastel pink crochet top, which is also very popular, and I'm very surprised because it's a rather simple design. I just used pastel pink with like a little like white yarn for an extra like added little design flair. But a lot of people seem to like it, and I feel like it fits under, you know, the whole Valentine's Day theme, so I wanted to include it on here. And I do have quite a few, you know, other heart themed and pink themed crochet tutorials on my channel, but I'm just going to share one more, and that is this pink flower cardigan. I made this last year, and again, I do have a full tutorial on it. Originally made this design in yellow, and that one was super duper popular. I also really loved it, and I wanted to make another one but in a different color, and I thought pink would be perfect for this design, and sure enough, it was, and it's definitely one of my favorite crochet projects I've ever made. So again, I do have a tutorial for it on my channel, which again, everything is linked in the description box down below. But okay, enough of my crochet project. Let's go ahead and check out other crochet project ideas that I found across the internet, mostly on Etsy. Actually, I think exclusively on Etsy. So again, all these ideas will either have a link to their pattern or their listing. So a cardigan I've heard a lot of people talk about and mention is this crochet butterfly cardigan, and I know I've also gotten quite a few requests to recreate this like as a tutorial, but I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm not gonna be able to do that. I feel like that's gonna take way too long for me, and I already have a whole list of other designs that I want to do, and I know I'm not gonna have time to figure out how to make that. It looks very complicated. Especially as someone who doesn't follow patterns, I'm not gonna be able to make that. However, if you are someone who knows how to follow a pattern / has the patience to follow a pattern, I do not. There is a pattern available on how to recreate this butterfly cardigan. I also found this pattern on how to crochet this heart cutout sweater, and then I found this listing for this beautiful rose cardigan. This is gorgeous. I think in my last year's Valentine's Day video, I found a scarf that was this like rose granny square design, and I thought it was beautiful. I also think that this cardigan is beautiful. I also really like this bag. It is a solid white bag with pink ribbon detailing that really puts it into that Valentine's Day-esque coquette sphere, where it's looking absolutely adorable with that little detail. And what's funny is that it's not even like a crochet ribbon or anything, it's just an actual ribbon that they integrated into the crochet project, and I'm really loving that detail. I love how not every crochet project needs to be 100% crochet and yarn. Like, you could add other elements to it, and it's really fun. So I feel like getting some inspiration myself there. In addition to crochet bags, you can also make them crochet water bottle holders. I feel like that's really popular as well. So imagine this, but pink. Now that is very Valentine's Day-y, but I mean, this design itself is really cute, and it's just a pattern. So again, you could change it to whatever colors that you want. So there's this one, and then I also found a pattern on how to recreate this one with the little like tulip designs. And of course, there's a bunch of other designs too. You can make like granny square ones. You could also make solid color ones, just like a solid pink, solid red, or you know, whatever favorite color that they want. You could, instead of like a flower, you could put a heart, like a heart granny square, and then make the water bottle holder. So many options. You can also make them some laptop holders or like laptop sleeves. There's also plenty of different designs to choose from and color combinations to use, but of course the most Valentine's Day-y ones are going to be the white, pink, and red. But again, there are so many different options for you to choose from, or possibilities for you to create and make it your own and make it something that your Valentine really, really loves, or again, something that you really, really love because you're your own Valentine. Love that for you. But yeah, these are some of the ones that I found, and again, will be linked in the description box down below. Similarly, you could also make some tablet holders too, or tablet protectors, so laptop protector, as well as some book covers and some covers for your AirPods. No, not AirPods. What are they called? AirPod Max, no? Clearly, I do not own those really cool, like, Apple AirPod headsets. But hey, I could crochet covers for them. I should honestly make some for myself. These are my PC headphones, but I need to make some seasonal covers for them. I think that'd be really, really cool. You can also make them a crochet heart headband. I thought that one was really cute. Another quick little project you can make them are these crochet ribbon key rings. Really cute as well. You could also make them some crochet leg warmers. I found this style, like the pink and brown. I really like pink and brown too. Like, I don't know what it is, but I like it. Is it because it reminds me of that ice cream that's like white, pink, and brown? Possibly, but I thought that one was really cute. But there's also another one that's just pink and white, so yeah. Ooh, you can also make them some crochet gloves or crochet like fingerless gloves. That would be really cute too, especially since it's still pretty cold in February, so that'd be perfect. Also crochet scarves, excellent. And here are some other really cute projects that I forgot to include somehow. I just like forgot to talk about them, even though I had them saved and like was ready to talk about them, but I forgot when I was filming. Anywho, you could also make these heart-shaped coasters. So another really like quick and easy, yet adorably thoughtful idea for Valentine's Day. So there's these heart-shaped ones. And then I also found this design, so it's like a round coaster with a scallop edge and these heart details. Super cute. Again, love the colors, and again, the shape of the heart is very Valentine's Day-y. And then I also found a pattern on how to make this heart sweater, and I know this design was very popular in like 2020, and you know what, it still holds up to this day. It's still really, really adorable and kind of reminds me of like the Powerpuff Girls heart. It's really cute, and of course you can make it in a bunch of different colors and it all looks great. I also found a pattern on how to make this heart design sweater. Then there's this bow inspired cardigan, which I thought was funky and fun. I also found this pink cardigan with star detailing, but you could swap out the star pockets for heart-shaped like granny square pockets. That would be really adorable. Then there's this purse that is solid white, but then it has this pink ruffle trim, and I thought that was adorable. There's also this red handbag with white heart-shaped stitches. Actually, now that I look at it, I think this is more knit than crochet. I'm actually not 100% sure if that's crochet. Also, if you have a goth Valentine or someone who likes this style, I thought this crochet black and pink striped sweater was really cute. Okay, last crochet project idea in this video is this crochet ribbon sweater. I think that this sweater is so dang adorable. It needed to be the project that ended it all for this video. And again, everything that I share with you in this video is linked in the description box down below. So if you wanted to go ahead and check it out, it's linked right in there. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, found it interesting, entertaining, or helpful, please give it a big thumbs up before you go. And if you love crochet, please check out the rest of my channel. I have so many crochet related videos ranging from beginner friendly tutorials to more advanced to crochet with me, crochet ideas, styling my crochet, and so much more. Also, if you love Disney fandom and adventure, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Both are at Krystal Everdeen. It's a fun time and I would love to see you there. Thank you so much again for watching. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button if you have not already so I can see you next time. Bye! And have a magical day.